Okay, so let's see. Yes. So I click finish. Installation's finished. So now I have my icon here. But before we go and double click, we're gonna make sure that my SQL Plus here is working. So if I say here start database, and then I see it's gonna ask me for system and then the password. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. So here I got into my SQL. What I needed to do is use the default username system. You can also use sys, S-Y-S. And then I put the password that I used when I was doing the installation. And then I have my SQL. So it's working. Another thing that you can do is, let's see if this one works. So if you double click this getting started with Oracle, what it's going to do is, I'm going to close this first and I'm going to open it again to make sure that you do Oracle default. Make sure that instead to be your Firefox, you use your you make your switch anyway. Firefox or Chrome your default browser. So okay, so let's go close this up. So now that I make sure that that's my default browser, if I double click, oh, it didn't work. So like I said, in order to make this browser work, I can do another video about it. You had to restart. It's going to take a while. You're going to have to restart your operating system. And also, if you go to Oracle and it says here restore database, just click in restore database, and somehow you put Y for yes, and then it'll restart the files for the database. The recovery, and then you can close it up. Let's see if it works again one more time. So, and if you put here restore, it should restore your database or whatever that it didn't install correctly will be fixed. And then you just do, okay, here recovery manage complete, you close that up, and then you do restart your operating system. So that's the only thing that you need is go here to an Oracle. You can other way that you can do this to open it is through the command line, but you know that here to start the database, I'm just gonna go and put this in my task pin in my stack so I have it, and also have my command line. So either way, I can start through my command line or through my database here. And that's it.